the island of light, where the blue sea calls us intoxicating. Rhythm with the waves under the bright sky. Vanuatu, where dreams come true. The sun rises, the light shines, white sands and waves caressing. Vanuatu, where nature blends, take us to the land of dreams. Vanuatu, the island of light, where the blue sea calls us intoxicating. Rhythm with the waves under the bright sky. Vanuatu, where dreams come true. The sun rises, the light shines, white sands and waves caressing. Vanuatu, where nature blends, take us to the land of dreams. Happy dances, echoing laughter, gentle people, open hearts. Together we make miracles. Vanuatu, where love never fades. Vanuatu, the island of light, where the blue sea calls us enchanting. Rhythm with the waves under the bright sky. Vanuatu, where dreams come true. When the night falls, the lights are sparkling. My soul is drunk with wonderful music. Vanuatu, you are a paradise in the middle of the ocean, a magical place forever in my heart. Vanuatu, the island of light, where the blue sea calls us enchanting. Rhythm with the waves